హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు షార్ట్ అండ్ హోప్ ఛానల్. నా పేరు హరినాగనంద్, షార్ట్ హ్యాండ్ ఇన్స్ట్రక్టర్. నేను ఈ షార్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సబ్జెక్ట్ సంబంధించి ఆన్లైన్ ఆఫ్లైన్ కోచింగ్ లెర్నర్స్కి అండ్ ఆల్సో లోయర్ హయ్యర్ అండ్ హై స్పీడ్ వాళ్ళకి కోచింగ్ అనేది ఇస్తూ ఉన్నాను. అలాగే ఈ షార్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సబ్జెక్ట్ సంబంధించి జనరల్ అండ్ లీగల్ డిక్టేషన్స్ ఇస్తున్నాను. అలాగే మన ఛానల్ సంబంధించినటువంటి టెలిగ్రామ్ లింక్ అనేది కింద డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో ఉంది. మనం అందించేటువంటి 80-100 ఎస్బిటిటి అండ్ ఆల్సో ఎస్ఎస్సి స్టెనోగ్రాఫర్ గ్రేడ్ సి గ్రేడ్ డి వాళ్ళు కూడా ఉపయోగపడతాయి. సో అందరూ రాయొచ్చు. దీంతో పాటు కూడా 120, 150 అండ్ లీగల్ డిక్టేషన్స్ కూడా అందిస్తున్నాను. ఈ డిక్టేషన్ కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే మీ సోషల్ నెట్వర్కింగ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్స్ అయినటువంటి వాట్సాప్, ఫేస్బుక్స్లో పోస్ట్ చేయండి. గెట్ రెడీ ఫర్ ది డిక్టేషన్. లాస్ట్ 10 seconds. రెడీ. 1, 2, 3 start. The Indian economy has improved and expanded in an orderly after pandemic, and the real gross domestic product in 23-24 was 20% higher than its level in before pandemic 2019-20 according to the economic survey 2020-24 tabled on Monday in the parliament. This, as per the survey report, is a feat that only a few major economies had achieved. Prospects for continued strong growth in financial year 2025 beyond look good, subject to financial market and climatic risks, the economic survey noted. Global economic growth has been 3.2% in 23 as per the World Economic Outlook published this year in April by the International Monetary Fund. Disagreeing growth patterns have emerged among countries. The difference in the growth performance of countries has been on account of domestic structural issues, uneven exposure to conflicts, and the impact of monetary policy reduction. But India's economy carried forward the drive it built in 22-23 into 23-24 despite a range of external challenges, the economic survey said. India's real GDP grew by 8.2% in 24, more than 8% mark in 3 out of 4 quarters of 23-24. The focus on maintaining stability ensured that external challenges had minimal impact on India's economy, the survey said. The government thrust on capital expenditure and sustained momentum in private investment has boosted capital formation growth, it noted. Gross fixed capital formation increased by 9% in real times in 23-24. Moving forward, corporate and bank balance sheets, the economic survey noted, will further strengthen private investment. The positive trends in residential real estate market indicate that the household sector capital formation is increasing significantly, stated the survey. Inflationary pressures stoked by global troubles, supply chain trouble, and vagaries of monsoons have been managed by administrative and monetary policy responses. As a result, after average 6.7% in 23, retail inflation declined to 5.4% in 23-24. The fiscal balances of the general government have improved progressively despite expansionary public investment. Tax compliance gains driven by procedural reforms, expenditure restraint, and helped India achieve this fine balance. The external balance has been pressured by global demand for goods, but strong services exports largely counterbalanced this. As a result, the current account deficit stood an improvement from the deficit of 2% of GDP in 22-23. Union Finance Minister tabled the Economic Survey 23-24 in Parliament today. The Economic Survey document prepared by the Economic Division of the Department of Economic Affairs in the Ministry of Finance and formulated under the supervision of the Chief Economic Advisor gives insights into the state of the economy and various indicators of 23-24 and some outlook for the current year. The Finance Minister is set to present Union Budget for 24-25 in Parliament tomorrow. With this budget presentation, she is set to better the record set by former Prime Minister, who presented 5 annual budgets and 1 interim budget between 59 and 64 as Finance Minister. Her upcoming budget speech will be her 7th Ahead of the start of Parliament's budget session, Prime Minister on Monday said that the people have given their verdict in the Lok Sabha polls and now all political parties must fight together for the country for the next 5 years. A day before the presentation of the Union budget, Prime Minister in a press conference said that the budget will set the direction for the journey of the next 5 years and lay the foundation stone for fulfilling the dream of the people of India. Speaking with the media before the start of the session, he also slammed the negative politics of some parties and said that they used Parliament's time to hide their failures. He also hit out at opposition parties for trying to rush his voice in Parliament in the last session and said such a tactic has no place in democracy. He said that his people government is moving forward to implement on the ground the guarantees he has given to the people. This is the budget session. The guarantees that I have been giving, we are moving forward to implement those guarantees on the ground, he said. This budget is an important budget. The opportunity of 5 years that we have, this budget will decide the direction of that journey as well as lay the foundation for fulfilling the dream of Indian people, he further said. He also said that the budget session is an important destination in our democracy proud journey. A government has come back to power for the third time after 60 years, he said. Stop. If you want to get more updates, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.